Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a mani using two new colors that are releasing today from Lilith Grove's Nail Dips. Now these are part of the Halloween release. And the first color here, it's a fun orange color and the name is super cute. I love it. It's called Pumpkin Guts. And this is a beautiful orange glitter and it also glows in the dark. The next one here, it's called Frog's Breath and it is a beautiful flaky green thermal dip and it is beautiful and it also glows in the dark, and I just really like the flakes in this dip. It's super pretty and the flakes applied really nice. So these are the two colors together. I just think it's giving me Halloween witchy vibes and I really like that color combination. For today's mani, we are going to be doing the gel method. So these colors are going to be releasing today. That is Saturday, September 17th in the evening. So I'm going to go ahead and link Lilith Grove's Facebook group in the description box below, because you definitely want to go over to that group and then you will know when this collection is releasing, because the colors are beautiful and then you can see other ambassadors manis as well for mani inspo. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani, and how awesome is this mani? It's totally giving me all those good Halloween vibes. The color combo is super pretty. I really like the foils in Frog Breath. It's giving me a green opal kind of vibe. And these powders were really buttery and really nice to work with. And I really like the application of the dip powders themselves. So this cuticle oil is also from Lilith Groves. It is called Witch Brew, and it's giving me all those fun Halloween vibes. And I really like this cuticle oil. It's the perfect fall scent. It's not too strong, and it's just the perfect fall Halloween scent. So don't forget, I am going to be starting a Halloween mani series on my channel. That's going to start October 1st, and it's going to run through October 13th. So it's going to be the 13 days of Halloween. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in the description box below. Please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!